Manipur laga Thoubal district te naruki kina bani kiri thaka karan flood per rupees 178 crore kimat laga fish farm pia kuri dishe. Thoubal laga district agriculture officer aro district fishery officer ba preliminary report collect kura hisab te janaishi ki Lilong subdivision de flood pra 2030 hectares pia kuri dia de rupees 60.90 crore national loss huishe. Thoubal subdivision de 1285 hectares kode rupees 38.55 crore aro Wangching Tenta subdivision de 2623 hectares pia kuri dia de rupees 78.69 crore laga loss huishe. Thoubal laga district agriculture officer ba janaishi ki tinda subdivisions khande flood pra 54 bosti nishna affect kuri gina ase. District agriculture officer ba warrant kuri gina kushi ki region de flooding hoi thaka karan kheti aro farms affect hola laga gate do uthibo koi gina janaishe.
Emporium Nagaland is India's leading aviation, hospitality and cruise line training institute with 100% job placement assistance in India and abroad. We provide customized workshops for various organizations and internship program for college students. We aim to empower educated, unemployed youths with global opportunities.
We love Emporium!